The reason I'm sticking to the roads this morning is because we've woke up to a little snow, slush and a lot of ice on the paths, so sticking to the roads is much safer because the roads are well treated, they've been well used, so much better grip, whereas going along the cycle paths etc will be quite icy, so it's too early still before everything thaws out. This is my first trip out on the e-bike since getting it back. I've added a couple of additional attachments, i.e. I know most cyclists don't have it, but I've stuck a wing mirror onto it just because I think it's a car driver and the biker in me. I like to know what's behind me. So yeah, I'm just watching, there's flashing blues behind me. I just want to see where they're going. I think they're going up Crow Roadway, so yeah. The last video, the one that went viral, with the incident with the bus, believe it or not, 99.9% people were positive. A very, very slight margin of people, the ones that hate cyclists, were complaining cyclists shouldn't be on the road, blah blah blah. But yeah, a lot of comments says get on the sidewalk. But we don't call it sidewalk in the UK, it's called a pavement. So I'm guessing that's people from America. I think you call it sidewalks. It's illegal in the UK to cycle on pavements. It's safer on the road because roads were built for vehicles. Having a bike belongs to the road just as much as any other vehicle, and having a driving licence doesn't allow you any more entitlement to the road. It just entitles you to drive that category of vehicle. So yeah, let's just all be considerate of each other. Glasgow Green is icy as hell. Cautiously cycling over this ice. Can you hear all that ice cracking underneath my tread? Just stop up here, have a wee cup of coffee, let Millie run around, and then we'll take it from there. Oh, this is a sheet of ice, alright. Wow.